Hello everyone, how is it going? Welcome to my channel and this is Fajar Laksono. In this video, we will continue speaking about programming fields, and in the previous video, I've talked about front-end development. Without any further ado, let's get started talking about back-end development. As I've said before, the tech industry is rapidly increasing, including the demands for developers. Because tech keeps rapidly widespread, people should separate the jobs fields to specific intents. Commonly, there are two parts of a program or an application. They are a front-end or a client-side and back-end or a server-side. Front-end is the interactable interface of an application. All interactions and communications between a human and a computer occurs in this part. All of these parts is usually designed and coded by front-end developer. That was only a brief description of front-end development. If you want to know future information about front-end development, you can check the video where the button appears up there. And the second part of an application is back-end development, which is the thing that we are going to learn. What is back-end development and how the job text is? Back-end or server-side development is a job field that lets the worker or developers concerned and focus on data operations and data outcomes of an application. Generally, the back-end developers tend to have worked in the server area. They work in the database, scripting, and architectures to produce data operations and serve the data to client-side, or well known as front-end. A back-end developer works hand-in-hand with a front-end developer, provides data from the server-side operations to the surface of a program or front-end. Basically, a front-end developer creates logical operations inside the server to make the program functions properly and serve accessible routes to retrieve data upon the front end. Generally, back-end developers are known to be the best problem solvers. They always use logical means to carry the work. Their responsibilities are 1. Creating and optimizing the server-side application for speed and efficiency. 2. Create a data storage solution with a database. 3. Cloud computing integration. 4. API integration. What are the required skills for a back-end developer? These are needed skills to become a back-end developer. Specifically, 1. Problem solving, programming, server-side insights and expertise, data management, knowledge and accessibility and security compliance, understanding of front-end. What programming languages for a back-end developer? In my opinion, back-end development is more arduous than front-end. Sometimes it requires the myriad instance of languages to establish an application. Commonly SQL, not only SQL, PHP, C, C++, C#, Java, Python, nodejs, Ruby, Go, and many more. Technically, you don't need to use all of those languages. Usually we use two languages such as PHP and SQL, but sometimes many cases that require to use more than two languages. And regarding the surface, a collaboration between Java and SQL has the most users in the world. What is the workplace of a back-end developer like? Currently, the tech industry is increasing in modernization. The demands of developers, especially the back-end developers, are rising over time. Generally, the world invented new technology and tools every moment, and moreover every day. It will affect the existence of backend to widespread with the new technologies and open up the new opportunities of job regarding the backend development. So the conclusions, a backend developer has a critical role in application development, either web, mobile, or desktop application, and responsible for handling data operations, storage, and deliver the data to the front end. And this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below to let me know if you've liked this video. See you in the next video. See you guys!